A very good morning to all the students of class 7. Dear students, how are you all? I hope you people are in good health and taking care of yourself. The sentence of the day is, the energy and the persistence conquers all things. I repeat the sentence of the day, the energy and the persistence conquers all things. That means the consistency with the energy is the powerful tool for completing all the tasks at the same time. So we should be energetic and persistent for doing any work. I, Yasani, your SST teacher, we have done chapter 1 equality and doing role of the government in the health. So quickly we'll recap the first chapter, that is the equality in the is considered in which adequate opportunities are given to all. It is the soul of democracy in our country. Like equality to vote, as the story, we have done 3 stories in this chapter. First was the Kanta, the domestic helper, who was very happy to see that the line in which she was standing for casting her vote, in the same line, the poor and the rich all were standing. So she was happy to see that we all are equal. But at the same time, her dreams went off, because does the equality exist? No, the equality does not exist, because when she takes her daughter who is suffering from fever to the doctor, in that there she had to stand in a long queue where only the poor were standing and the others were not standing. Her daughter was crying with the pain, but she had no other choice than standing in the queue and waiting for her turn to come. Then there was a story of a Dalit boy who wrote his own story, that is Jutan, in which he told that how he was being tortured in the school, where he went to study in the government school. He was not given the mat to sit on. He used to sit near the door. He was to sweep the whole school the whole day, and his back used to ache because the ground was so big, and he was just in 4th standard. So does the equality exist? It really, it's a reality that a difference exists between rich and poor. This is really, the caste system is also rigid. Caste system हमारा बहुत rigid है. Dalit in India and the minorities are denied to equality, to dignity of equality. वो लोग dignity of equality से. Then we had done a story about the Ansari, Mr. and Mrs. Ansari. Because of their caste, whenever the people used to listen, they were not given the house on the rent. So they faced the problem of being equal. So we had studied about how the democracy of our country, and even then we had seen about the country like America. America also had the issues of equality and democracy. Like African Americans were treated very badly. So the civil rights movement was called off. So the challenges of the democracy, no country can be described as being completely democratic. There are always communities and individuals trying to expand the ideas of democracy and push for the great recognition of equality on existing as well as new issues. Certain Central to this is the struggle for the recognition of all persons as equal and for the dignity to be maintained. So we had studied about their problems of democratic countries related to the issue of equality. So now coming up to the question answers of first chapter, then we will start with the second chapter. In democracy, why is universal adult franchisee important? The answer is, in a democracy, every citizen is equal. The concept of on universal adult franchise based on equality. Therefore, it is an important role in democracy under universal adult franchise. Even adult, irrespective of caste, religion, gender, race, etc., is allowed to vote. That means in a democratic country, irrespective of any caste, color, creed, the person is allowed to cast his vote. Now the next question says, read the box of Article 15 and state two ways in which the article addresses integration. Addresses inequality. So the article addresses inequality are, first one is access to shops, publics, restaurants, hotels and places of public entertainment. The use of well tanks, second point, the use of well tanks, bathing hut, roads and places of public. Restore, maintained wholly or partly out of the state funds or decided to be to the use of the general public. Now the third question is, in what do you understand by the term all persons are equal before the law? Why do you think it is important in a democracy? Both were subjected to discriminations. Omkar was not allowed to sit with other students and was made to sweep school grounds because he was a Dalit. Similarly, the Ansaris were not given a flat in the locality where people lived belonging to region other than religion of their. In both the cases, dignity was violated. So the question is, in what way was Omkar Valmiki experience similar to the Ansaris? Because in both the cases, their dignity was being violated. Now next is, in answer fourth, it means that every person has to obey same laws. No person can be discriminated. We know that democracy is form of government which gives equal importance to all. If inequality exists, democracy would never flourish. Instead, it would perish very soon. वो perish बहुत जल्दी हो जाएगी अगर democratic country में हम लोग एक जैसा रूल रखेंगे. Now, next question is, look at the photograph and think about the boy who is being carried down in the stairs. Do you think the above law is being implemented in this case? What needs to be done to make the buildings more accessible to him, for him? How would his being carried down the stairs affect their dignity as well as his safety? So the answer says, boy in the photograph is disabled to as per the law. The building should have ramps for him. He is being carried down by security guards through stairs. Thus boy dignity is violated. Thus the boy's dignity is being violated. This case should be taken to the court. You can take this case to the court because the boy's dignity is being violated in the above given picture. So this is how the things are carried down in our country, in all the democratic countries. Now coming up to the next chapter, that is we had already done this, the role of the government in the health. Now we had done what is the health, and we had also done the what is health. Like we have seen the pictures, the doctors, we have largest number of doctors in our country, but still the doctors are not interested in going in rural areas. They like to stay in urban areas where the development is there. And we now what is the health? Health measures our ability to be remain free from illness and injuries. Injuries or illness से हम free रहें. There are certain factors which affect our health. कुछ factors हैं जो हमारे health को affect करते हैं. Health care in India. India has the largest number of medical colleges in the world and is almost the largest producer of doctors. हमारे यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा largest producers हम doctors के ही हैं. और this is given in your book. The box has been made which has been discriminating between the two things. Approximately 15,000 new doctors qualify every year. हर साल जो doctors qualify होते हैं वो approximately 15,000 हैं. Most of the doctors settle in urban areas. People in the rural areas have to travel long distance to reach a doctor. The number of doctors are respect to the population is much less than in rural areas. Urban areas में doctors बहुत ज़्यादा हैं rural के compare, क्योंकि rural areas में doctors are not interested in going. So and see the what is the India gets largest number of medical tours from many countries. They come to for treatment in some of the hospitals in India than compared with the best of the world. मतलब इंडिया में सबसे ज़्यादा लोग बाहर से भी आते हैं अपने आप को क्योर करवाने के लिए. और आपको शायद नहीं पता कि हम इंडिया में ही रूरल एरियाज में, अर्बन एरियाज, रूरल एरियाज में ट्यूबरक्लोसिस से 5 लाख पीपल डाई एवरी ईयर और 2 मिलियन पीपल जो है वो केसेस है मलेरिया से डेथ की. So this is the thing how the medical is carried out over in India, because nobody is interested in going in the rural areas. Now there is a story about the Hakim Sheikh. Hakim Sheikh was a member of the PBKMS, an organization of agricultural labor in West Bengal. One evening in 1992, he accidentally fell off from the running train and suffered serious injuries. Now what happens is he is taken to the hospitals, government hospitals, where they don't admit him because they did not have the proper doctors, or some of them did not have the equipments. So he was taken to through several hospitals. The same condition, same people were saying that we don't have proper doctors or the medical assistants. So what happens is Ansari, he had to go to, Hakim Sheikh has to go to the private hospital where he had to pay a large amount of bill on the medical expenses. And he gets annoyed and cast a case against, he and his other members cast a case against the government. So this is like how the people are facing problems in health in India. Now there is a story, cost of a cure. That also there are two students. One name is Aman and other is Ranjan. Aman and Ranjan are two friends. Ranjan belongs to a good family, rich family, and Aman is from a poor family. So both are suffering from the same illness, that is viral fever. Ranjan is taken to the hospital that is very expensive, looks like a hotel which he describes, where the doctors take his medical test before he's been examined. 500 fees his father has to pay over there. but it was okay for them because they had no problem for that. And after that, they take his blood, and the same the report is been given. Medicines are too expensive, but they could afford it. But in the case of Aman, he had gone in the government hospital where he had to stand in a long queue, where he was fending on his father's shoulder. But when his turn comes, his medical tests have been taken. But when after the test report were being given after 3 days, and the medicines after that. So see, for private, the money, those who are having money, they can afford it, and the governments cannot afford. The people who cannot afford private have to go to government hospitals where the medical assistance is being delayed. Both get the medicines, but his medicines expenses not too much because Aman is going in government hospital, whereas for the Rajan it was too much because he was in a private hospital. So this difference will remain. So difference in the hospital, difference in the equality, it is just this will be carried on. Now next, coming up to the public and private health cases services. This we'll do in our next video session. Thank you and have a nice day.